Available at Hatfield Suzuki Fourways. With the new generation Baleno, you'll arrive in premium style with bold and innovative design. Experience unparalleled performance packed into a fuel-efficient package with a Baleno's 1.5-litre engine. The engine, which was also used in the Suzuki-built Toyota Starlet, Urban Cruiser and Ramyon, delivers a sprightly 77 kilowatts at 6,000 RPM and 138 Newton-meters of torque at 4,400 RPM. The Baleno has an average fuel consumption rating of 5.4 litres per 100 kilometers for the manual transmission models and 5.7 litres per 100 kilometers in the automatic transmission models. Is display technology that raises the bar with our new Gen 9-inch infotainment system. Heads-up display for a more comfortable drive. 360-degree view camera for all-round admiration. With safety and security in the GL specification level are also very well taken care of, with ABS, EBD, heel hold control, dual front airbags, electronic stability program, ISOFIX baby chair anchors, an alarm and immobilizer as standard. Suzuki has added even more specifications to both the GL and GLX range. Available at Hatfield Suzuki Fourways from 225,000 Rand. Contact us at Hatfield Suzuki Fourways on 010-823-5793 or on WhatsApp on 072-609-3067.